Did you know that the mantis shrimp has a punch that can shatter glass? It strikes with the speed of a bullet, making it one of the fastest animals on the planet. Then there's the axolotl, a remarkable creature that can regrow its limbs and even parts of its heart. Imagine being able to heal like that. And let's not forget the Turritopsis dohrnii, the jellyfish that can essentially reverse its aging process. If it gets injured, it can revert to its younger form and start life anew. Nature is full of these incredible superpowers. What's your favorite?